3, 2, 1. Nice job, man. Nice job, nice job, nice.
How do you feel about Alanya?
I love it. It's great. Look at the weather. Yesterday we had the biggest storm this year with crazy lightning, thunder. Next day you see a whole different vibe, a whole different atmosphere. So you really get the sense of both worlds. You get the sun, you get the winter.
Exactly.
All at the same time. You know, in life, there is no losing, only learning. The girls, they do the choosing, we do the earning. Sometimes we sip Hennessy, we start to get wavy. We're chasing dreams, we reach a milestone daily. We do what we're supposed to do, man. We do the disciplinary shit. Later on, we party, man. We party with good style, but not too much.
Not too much.
It would be a shame living this life, having this opportunity and not using it. It's December. In Norway, it's freezing cold. People are wearing like 5 jackets. Look where we are. Alanya, the best place to come during winter times. The sunny weather, hot rain.
Hot rain.
Hot rain, yeah, for real.
Like some now.
Yeah.
I need a juice. I need a bread, 2 eggs, maybe 3.
Og så skal vi bytte på omelettene sammen, og så har vi også dette, vi har ost, og så skal vi ha en sujuk. Men det her er bare tingen liksom. Her har du med plate. Skal den eller?
Yeah, the food's ready.
Yes, bro. We're
To be slaughtered.
dive in.
Slaughtered, yeah. I'll see you in 5 minutes.
See you in 2 minutes. About what?
Actually tastes like potatoes. Yeah.
They have potatoes here.
They have potatoes.
Oh my god.
10 out of 10.
Come on. Poşali.
Daily.
Seni poşali.
I think for sure, Misha.
You gotta pay for what you eat. It's not free here.
It's not free. Wow, bro, you have no idea how many people are working, breaking their back just to be in front of the sun. Sun is gold in Norway, bro. It's like having $1 million.
If you have access to the sun, which
Bro.
means access to traveling the world,
Yeah,
you are set for life.
bro.
Wow.
Because in Norway, we don't have sun.
Oh, I feel sorry for you guys.
Bro, we're slaves.
That's why we come back every time. I prefer living here.
But that's why you gotta take action and change it. Change what you can get,
Yeah.
where you are in life.
And in order to do that, you have to change yourself.
You need to find a drink with what you want. Sick dust. What do you say? Is that good? Yes. This is far better than Dubai. He just said it. Ladies and gentlemen, you hear?
You don't get this weather in Dubai.
They are using chemtrails in Dubai to regulate the weather
Yeah.
because it's too hot. So
Yeah.
airplanes, they go out with chemtrails, spray it, so it's like a faded sun. Here, you look at the sky, there is not one stripe of fake chemicals. It's
Just
clear
a blue sky.
Blue sky, untouched. But you go to Norway, you go to Dubai, everywhere we have went, we see chemtrails in the sky.
Facts.
We
Damn.
see made up clouds.
Wow.
Just think about that for a second. We are making clouds to regulate. to regulate.
He was actually here and ate yesterday. Great food. I would say it was actually a great experience. It was the first day we was here. We ate like Adana kebab
Adana kebabı, evet.
and some shish, I think.
Türkiye çok
Türkiye.
güzel.
One more time. Türkiye.
Türkiye
Yeah.
çok güzel.
Türkiye çok güzel.
Çok güzel.
Çok güzel.
Güzel.
Güzel. Güzel.
Türkiye çok güzel.
Türkiye çok güzel abi.
Türkiye çok güzel abi.
Türkiye çok güzel abi.
Türkiye çok güzel abi.
Çok
That's
çok
good, right?
güzel. Çok güzel.
What's great with Alanya is that
Wait. Again.
the great thing about Alanya is that during the daytime we were walking in t-shirts, feeling that we're in the desert. But in the nighttime, you feel like it's Christmas. So you get a little bit of taste of both. During the day, you're in the desert, chilling with the sun, and during the night,
best of the both worlds.
yeah,
Best of both worlds.
Best of
blah blah,
Best of both worlds.
Best of both worlds.
blah blah.
Right now we're gonna grab some quick food. You know, it's late night snack. Yep, some fine Turkish food. Big sports culture here in Turkey actually. Big sports culture, like people like sports here. I have a feeling, I don't know. But I feel like it's like football, all like sports is very supported. Farlig mat, din jævla.
Hvor det er det beste som...
Så jeg
Og det her er ordentlig mat, mann. Det her er sånn hvis mora mi skulle lage mat. Men det
Det
var...
her da.
Skal vi sitte her, eller?
Vi går og setter innerst, eller?
Innerst?
Ja, eller her.
Er det ikke bra her? Kom. Først på nå.
Selam. Selam.
Menu is here.
Okay.
Yeah, you are looking at this menu. So, is this and chicken called mixed grill and
Mixed grill.
chicken
Okay.
and chicken wings and salad, rice, chips, sauce.
On the side. Komplett, ja. Chillen. Du vil ha mild? Her har du mild.
Hva sa du?
Du vil ha mild, det her er mild, liksom.
Kjøtt
Ja.
bare.
Ja. Ses. Vi ses.
På nettside?
Ja. Farlig billig. Det må være too good to be true, liksom.
Nei, jeg må reviewe den, altså.
Ja. Cheers. Abi çok güzel.
Afiyet olsun.
Wow.
Thank you very much. In Turkey, in best.
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 Yes.
Good quality valla.
Best.
Real patates, real tavuk, everything perfect.
Enjoy
Very
your
nice.
meal.
Thank you, Abi.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bro, I feel happy, I feel blessed.
Blessed.
I feel like, we was meant to be here this time,
Definitely.
This ain't random.
This is new era of life. It's end of bad habits, start of new habits. End of bad energy, inviting the new energy. Everything in this life is for you to take and make and create. Be authentic.
Yeah.
If you want authenticity, you have to become authentic. Because in life, we attract what we are, not we want. Nej, vänta, en gång till. En gång till. God damn it.